the KitchenAid Burr Grinder. For first-time use, clean the bean hopper and grind jar in warm soapy water. And with the grinder on a flat surface, attach the bean hopper at the top and turn clockwise until it's snug. Then, slide and center the lower grind jar into place. Next, choose your grind setting to match your brew method. Settings 1 to 3 for French press and a coarse grind. 5 to 7 for a medium grind, best for pour-over, siphon, or automatic drip. Or 8 for a fine grind when brewing espresso. Next, fill the bean hopper with desired amount of beans and flip the power switch up to begin grinding your coffee. When you have the right amount for your brew, simply flip the switch down, remove the ground jar, and prepare to brew a great cup of fresh coffee.
To many coffee lovers, the smell of freshly grounded coffee is especially pleasant. To enhance the experience of making fresh coffee wherever you go, we designed the most portable coffee grinder that will fit right into your pocket. Introducing you to the ultimate portable coffee grinder. Nutshell. With the size of a lemon, Nutshell is designed to be minimal, portable, and easy to use. To grind your coffee, simply load your favorite coffee beans into the hopper. Then adjust the grind size by rotating the adjustment knob, and finally start grinding your coffee by rotating Nutshell back and forth repeatedly. Nutshell is designed to be compact for ease of storage, so you won't find a handle like you would in many other portable grinders. Put it into your pouch and bring it to the camp. The ergonomic profile makes grinding way easier than the traditional ones. The ceramic burr is ideal for coffee grinding as it makes a uniform grind. With only 138 grams, Nutshell weighs 50% less than an average hand grinder and can grind up to 18 grams of coffee beans for each load. With the adjustable grind size, you can choose your favorite brewing methods and adjust the taste of your coffee. Nutshell, the ultimate portable grinder that makes coffee grinding possible whenever and wherever.